Hi guys, my name is Kumar Patel and I'm going to explain my network architecture of any organization implemented. So here I have three sites, Site A, Site B and Site C. Site B has OSPF and EIGRP, Site A has EIGRP and Site C has EIGRP and HAPE version 2 for the authentication. So first of all, here there are two layer 2 switches and layer 3 switches, which all port is trunked, and I create the router on stick in the Waterloo access router to allow the VLAN 10 and 20 to the associated PCs. So here Waterloo PCs and the radio server are on the same VLAN 10 and another two PCs are on VLAN 20. Here I create the router on stick using two interface, like which is .10 and .20, and I configure the gateway of the VLAN. And here the access router and edge router, it has OSPF for the internal routing protocol, and all the edge router is connected each other using EIGRP, and they are sharing the routing information between Waterloo to Gulf, Gulf to Kitchener, Kitchener to Waterloo using EIGRP. And the Gulf access and Gulf edge router has EIGRP protocol for the internal routing, and the Kitchener edge and Kitchener access as RIP version 2. So and here I have three switches, and which has the spanning tree protocol inside, and here this port is blocked because it's blocking the loopback using this port. And we have TechX server to authenticate Gulf access and Gulf edge router for the secure cell communication. We have web server here. So using the routing protocol, I am able to ping from Waterloo PC to TechX server and Gulf web server, access the web page of web server and Kitchener PC, and also the internal routers. All the internal routers communicate with each other using protocol. Here we can ping the connectivity between all the nodes from Waterloo PC. So now first I am going to ping itself. So it's ping 10.200.39.98, which is the IP address of the Waterloo PC. You can see it. It's pinging successful. So we are trying to ping VLAN 20 here, Waterloo PC 4. Its IP address is 114, and the first OP is always request timeout, and then after it's going through. So now we can ping the radio server successfully because it's on the same network, so it can easily ping. Now we are trying to for the other switch connector PCs. Here VLAN 10, and now we are going to ping Waterloo PC 6, which is on VLAN 20 network. As look, the first is timeout and then it's come up. Now we are going to ping the gateway of VLAN 10, which is 9.97, and now for the VLAN 20, its IP is 113. It's also pinging. Now we are trying to ping Waterloo access router, and you can see it's pinging 65, so it's Waterloo edge router basically. Now we are trying 34, it's also pinging. You can try the 33, which is connected to the Gulf router using EIGRP, and it's pinging successful. Now we are trying to ping the Gulf edge router using IP address of 1. and you can see it's pinging successfully. Now we are trying 2 for the Gulf access router and 49 for the Gulf access router. Successfully pinged this site. Now we are trying to ping the 50 and it's successful. Now we are trying to ping another switch which is on 51 network and it's successfully pinging. Now trying the third switch, which IP address is 3053. Oh, it's 52 and it's successful. Now we are going to ping the Gulf TACX server, choose 53. As always, the first IP address is timeout, then it's come up. Now pinging the Gulf web server. And there you go. Now we can access the Gulf web server using the IP address in the web browser 10.200.39.54, and you can see I put my name and ID in a home page, so it's showing the home page of Cisco Packet Tracer, which is accessible from any of the sites, because all the sites are connected using EIGRP. So now going to ping the another site, which is the site C. Just ping 17 and it's showing the Cisco network, and 18 which is connected to the Kitchener edge router. Now we are ping 129 which is basically Kitchener router, and now lastly we are pinging Kitchener access router from here. And there you go. We can ping the PC as well, so like it's 78. And as you can see, it's successfully pinged. Like from the Kitchener PC and SSH, testing the SSH on the Waterloo access server. So SSH-L username, which I already defined in the previous configuration. It's IP address 10.39.65. Oh, sorry, 66. And it's asking for a password. I put secret55 as password. And as you can see from Kitchener PC, I am able to access the Waterloo access router. It's happened because it's all connected using the various routing protocol like EIGRP, OSPF, and route. And it's all access and edge router are connected using another protocol, and the edge router must redistribute all the other protocols and static routes. So to sum up it, it's all working now. Thank you.